The long, arduous task of cleaning all the rust off has begun, hasn't it? We started. So we've done sort of from this bit here back, and we're slowly we've taken off the bulk of the rust from the surface. We need to wipe it all down with a wire brush, which is what Dan's currently doing at the moment. And then hopefully we can get a bit of paint on it. What do you think?
I think I've got a lot more before you paint.
Yeah, but that's your job.
Thank you.
Mine's the painting bit. There, we've got the wheels sent off as well, didn't we? Wheels. We've got one back, which is over here. Will it fall out the door if I open the door? Okay. So let's see if I get squished by a tractor tyre. Believe it or not, it fits in the back of a Landy. Oh, is it going to fall? No, it's not going to fall. Excellent. So, there we go. A tractor tyre. It's all nice and neatly painted. It looks lovely. The only downside to that is it doesn't match the original colour for the tractor. It is Fergie grey, but whoever owned this tractor before Keith decided to paint it a slightly more blue colour. I haven't got anything close to hand to show you the comparison between the two at the moment, but I will do once we get a little bit closer to getting the wheels back on it and yeah, just pieces back together and do some more painting. But I thought I'd give you all an update, so hope you like it.